channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Subscribe the channel for updated videos. Present topic is carbonyl compounds chemical properties in the Reformatsky reaction. In the Reformatsky reaction, alpha haloesters converting into beta hydroxy esters. Alpha haloesters converting into beta hydroxy esters. This is the main statement. See one example, alpha haloesters. This is the functional group, ester functional group, ester or ester we can say. This is the alpha carbon. On the alpha carbon, halogen is there. I am taking here bromine. Okay, this is react with zinc. First step is it is react with zinc. Then it is converting into just like Grignard reagent RMGX. In the alkyl halide chapter we learned whenever Rx is reacting with magnesium, the magnesium is inserting in between R and X. Okay, similar reaction here, the zinc is inserting here, it is forming like Grignard reagent type. So here in the Grignard reagent R is minus, MgX is the plus. Same here also, this carbon is acting as a nucleophile, so partially negative charge. This nucleophile is attacking on the carbonyl carbon, then addition reaction. You know that the CH2 is attacking here, immediately this pi bond is going to oxygen. So oxygen is partially negative charge, this carbon is partially positive charge, right? Now this zinc ZnBr, this is the positive charge, is attacking on the oxygen. You can see the step. See ZnBr here आगे इधर, ठीक है, this total is nucleophile is here. In the Grignard reagent we did that RMGX type. Okay, similarity I am telling you, you can recall easily. Okay, there is no much difference here. Same Grignard reagent. उस टाइम में हम alcohol बनाते थे, carbonyl compounds to alcohol. Here it is a ester. So now next step is, generally we are doing hydrolysis. In the hydrolysis what will happen? This group OZnBr becoming OH. In the Grignard case में क्या होता है? The OMGBr becoming OH after hydrolysis. Here also same process. So now the final product is beta hydroxy esters. Okay, why we are calling beta hydroxy? Because this is the ester functional group, that is the main functional group. That attached carbon alpha carbon, next carbon is beta carbon. Beta carbon के ऊपर OH is there, that's why beta hydroxy ester is the common name. See, once you go for the statement beta hydroxy ester, you can see here alpha haloesters converting into beta hydroxy esters, right? This is the Reformatsky reaction. Yes, one example I am explaining you. Alpha haloester, how to converting into beta hydroxy ester, direct reaction. How can you write the product? Alpha haloester to beta hydroxy ester. See, I am taking here one alpha haloester, I am taking reaction with zinc and then hydrolysis H3O plus. So initially here zinc is there. Okay, so I am taking Grignard reagent, this is one acetone I am taking, CH3, C double bond O CH3, I am taking acetone. So simply what you will do, just here you can attack like this. So CH3, one more CH3, this one becoming OH, this ketone is becoming OH, then CH, C double bond O, ethyl, ester as it is. Here R group is there, suppose R group will be remain same. This is the direct product. So what you will do, at this alpha position is there, so this alpha position अल्फा पोजीशन से इसको कनेक्ट करना है. दिस C डबल बॉन्ड वो बिकमिंग OH. ओके, सो हाइड्रोजन को निकालना पड़ता है. दिस इज ओनली यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली प्रोडक्ट. नेक्स्ट, Schmidt reaction. Schmidt reaction. This is the reaction between carbonyl compounds and hydrozoic acid in the presence of strong acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. Aldehydes gives a mixture of cyanide and formyl derivatives of primary amines, whereas ketones gives amide. See here, ketone is giving amide derivatives. Aldehyde is giving cyanide as well as formyl derivatives are giving. So how these are giving? Once we can see the mechanism I am going to write. Mechanism of Schmidt reaction. Mechanism. I am taking ketone and hydrozoic acid. In the hydrozoic acid, this N3H is donating H plus, so protonation takes place here. So the next step here, I will get it OH R dash. Now which nitrogen here? This, whenever this bond is shifted here, immediately this pi bond is attacking on this carbon. Okay, now N H middle nitrogen, 3 bonds are there, here is a plus. Okay, now one possibility is there, by heating this H and this OH, it will remove water molecule. This H and OH. So we are getting like this, R dash double bond N, then here lone pair is there, this side N triple bond N. It looks like oxime. Anti-elimination takes place. So in the anti-elimination, see, whenever this N2 is releasing, so this opposite position, this R will attacking on the nitrogen. So the rearrangement product I am writing here. So here this R dash double bond nitrogen के ऊपर क्या था? So here it is getting positive charge. So this positive charge, now already water left, now here minus water was there. So this water molecule again it's coming here, the OH minus, here OH minus is attacking here, then the structure is R1 OH double bond N, opposite side R is there, this is the R dash. Whenever this O sigma bond is coming here, this pi bond is shifted to nitrogen, then nitrogen getting minus, so obviously this H plus is attacking on the nitrogen. So our product is R C double bond O N H R. This is the final product. Okay, whenever we are taking the ketone, we are getting amide. Yes, you can see again what I did here. Ketone I am taking, protonation takes place because it is acid, then it is a partially negative, partially positive. So protonation, carbon plus हो गया. So this pi bond is attacking here, nothing but this nitrogen is acting as a nucleophile. So addition reaction took place, then rearrangement is there. Here water molecule left, so in between the nitrogen and carbon double bond is forming. It is looks like oxime type. Is a Beckmann rearrangement. One more rearrangement is there, Beckmann rearrangement, similar mechanism here. So here N2 is releasing because nitrogen plus is unstable, so it is releasing as a nitrogen gas as a byproduct. So this R group is opposite side of R group is shifting to nitrogen, then immediately here this carbon getting positive charge. So actually here water molecule is attacking water molecule. So water molecule attacking, then oxygen getting place, so immediately this H is releasing as H plus, so nothing but OH only. So we can write directly OH. If I write water molecule, number of steps will be increased, that's only. So finally conclusion is OH is attacking on the C plus. Now then again rearrangement, this pi bond is shifted towards nitrogen side because more electronegative atom, then this is getting partially positive charge, so this sigma bond is shifted here, then is a ketone, then this is the NHR. Okay, this type of mechanism is there, is forming amide. So see here mechanism, this one H2O निकल सकते हैं इधर से. If you remove the H2O, here, RCH double bond NH बनेगा 3 plus 1 4 bonds, बराबर है ना. You can remove H2O here, double bond is there. Yes, then again if this hydrogen and this N2, if it is releasing, then again triple bond is there, again triple bond. So RCH double bond N2 plus. So whenever this bond is coming here, this is releasing as N2. Okay, so cyanide is coming like this, cyanide. Okay, this is the mechanism for cyanide. For formyl derivatives, RNHCHO, already we discussed in the last mechanism, so similar mechanism we discussed. Next, benzoin condensation. Here one more reaction is there, this is a note point here. Reaction with the primary amines, this ketone react with the primary amine, just removing water molecule like this, so it is forming Schiff's base. This is the conformation test for aldehydes. Next, benzoin condensation. In the benzoin condensation is essentially dimerization of two aromatic aldehydes under the catalytic influence of cyanide ions to give benzoin. Which is the benzoin? This is the benzoin. Two sides is the benzoin, is the pH group. Okay. Two benzene rings are there. बीच में एक C double bond वो COH group. Again here benzene ring. This is the benzoin. Okay, benzoin condensation. Now how you will write it? It is similar to Cannizzaro reaction. In the Cannizzaro reaction, what happened? One is carboxylic acid, the other one is alcohol is forming. Now दोनों का add करो. Furtherly, ester formation. This is nothing but ester type. Yes, it's not ester group, but it's similar. So direct product, how to write? See, mechanism तो ये है. So cyanide minus is attacking here, this carbon oxygen is getting minus, then this proton exchanging to oxygen OH, then this is a negative charge, this negative charge is attacking, so this one and this one is same, this negative charge acting as a nucleophile attacking on the next carbonyl group, then immediately this pi bond is shifted here. Okay, then proton exchange again, so this proton exchange takes place here. It print mistake, it is complete, all are C6H5 only, all are benzenes. Okay, here there is no change, here all are benzenes, benzene ring. Okay, now right, so here proton exchange takes place here, because whenever cyanide is there, ring deactivating. This is the minus inductive group. माइनस इंडक्टिव ग्रुप अटैच्ड ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज है तो दैट इज मोर स्टेबल. ठीक है, इन द ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री वी नो दैट नेगेटिव चार्ज कब स्टेबल होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है तो स्टेबल होगा. दैट्स व्हाई दिस ऑक्सीजन इज गेटिंग नेगेटिव चार्ज इज मोर स्टेबल. देन अगेन रीअरेंजमेंट, दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज इज कमिंग बैक हियर, then cyanide is leaving as Cn minus. This is the mechanism. So if you want to write direct product, how to write direct product? So just I am taking 2 benzaldehydes, 2 moles of benzaldehyde, okay, then C double bond O H, right, this is the benzaldehyde. Then अभी क्या करना है, very simple direct प्रोडक्ट, हाउ टू राइट इट. बेंजोइन कंडेंसेशन में कब होता है, पहले KCN के इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ KCN होता है, सो 2 मोल्स लेना ही पड़ता है. सो जस्ट दिस हाइड्रोजन है ना, ओके, दिस हाइड्रोजन इज गोइंग टू हियर, दिस हाइड्रोजन गोइंग टू हियर, ये दोनों के बीच में नया बॉन्ड बनेगा, बस ये पाई बॉन्ड ऊपर जाएगा, द माइनस, दिस हाइड्रोजन इज गोइंग टू हियर. सो फाइनली PH C double bond O, CH as it is here, the double bond O becoming OH, then PH. This is the very simple product, directly you can write it. Benzoin condensation, whenever benzaldehyde and KCN is there, like this. Suppose OH minus is there, we know that Cannizzaro reaction takes place, Cannizzaro reaction. Now benzylic acid rearrangement. द लास्ट रिएक्शन वी डिस्कस बेंजोइन. बेंजोइन में क्या होता है, इधर OH रहते थे, इधर OH रहे तो COH रहे तो दैट इज बेंजोइन. नाउ इट इज अ बेंजिल, राइट, इट इज नोन एज बेंजिल. नाउ इट इज रिएक्ट विथ OH माइनस. OH माइनस में क्या होता है, वी नो दैट OH माइनस, सेम मैकेनिज्म लाइक ऑल्डाल कंडेंसेशन टाइप, PH C double bond O, oxygen minus, here OH group, then PH. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होता है, अभी now this O minus when it's coming back here, this PH is shifting to next position, then PH O minus, here one more benzene ring, PH means here benzene phenyl group, then carbon C double bond O OH. Very simple reaction, but it is carrying the basic medium, base is there, that's why it is forming salt. I can write here same COH. Of course this protonation exchange, this carboxylic acid and phenoxide, alkoxide type is there, so it becomes OH. Then this is the COO minus, here one more benzene ring is there. Okay, understood clearly what happening here, this OH minus is attacking here, this pi bond shifted to oxygen side O minus, then rearranging takes place. This O minus when is coming back, this phenyl group is going to attack on the next position, carbonyl group. So then this pi bond is shifted here, okay, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड बन गया, इधर alkoxide type is there, so now proton exchange is there, H plus exchanger, okay, carboxylic acid donating H plus obviously, so this H is transferred to here, so this is the final product. Of course basic medium है इसलिए salt. This is the benzoin condensation, sorry, it is known as benzylic acid rearrangement, benzylic acid rearrangement. Next last one, Beckmann rearrangement. Beckmann rearrangement ये होता है ऑक्साइम्स में होता है, it is takes place in the oximes. Acid catalyzed transformation of ketoxime to N substituted amide is known as the Beckmann rearrangement. N substituted amide, we know that amide is R C double bond O NH is the amide. N substituted amide means R C double bond O NHR. Okay, this type of compounds are forming here. So here only 2 points are important. Anti-migration takes place. Anti-migration takes place. Anti means opposite, 180 degrees में. See, we are taking ketone and hydroxylamine. See, whenever NH2 and carbonyl group is there, simply you can remove the water molecule. It is forming oximes. In this oxime, so whenever OH is there, the OH opposite group, this OH opposite group will be migrate. First protonation takes place. Protonation में क्या होता है, इधर OH2 plus बन गया. So OH2 plus it is releasing as H2O, water molecule. So nitrogen getting positive. So immediately this opposite direction, opposite side alkyl group is migrating to the nitrogen. Then this carbon getting positive charge. This carbon getting positive charge. Then again water molecule is attacking here. Water molecule, it has 2 lone pairs acting as good nucleophile. Then इसको चाहिए. So now oxygen getting positive charge. So immediately one hydrogen is leaving as H plus. Okay, OH बन गया था. Now internally rearrangement. When the sigma bond is shifted here, this pi bond is shifting to nitrogen. Then you may ask, sir, why this pi bond is shifting here? Beta, this is a more electronegative atom. More electronegative atom है, पहले pi bond is shifted to nitrogen side, so partially positive charge. To fulfill this carbon deficiency, electron deficiency at carbon, this sigma bond is shifted here. So C double bond O and HR is forming finally. Okay, understood? Here only the antiposition. First what happened? Oxime is there. In the oxime we are doing protonation. Protonation की वजह से water molecule removing, nitrogen getting positive. So to fulfill this opposite direction, nitrogen opposite direction alkyl group is shifting to the nitrogen. Then carbon getting positive, so water molecule attacking. Then finally OH. After OH, internal rearrangement, keto-enol tautomerism. This is the tautomerism. We know that keto-enol tautomerism is well known. So this is the ketone. Okay, so here tautomerism में क्या होता है, one hydrogen here is shifting like this. I can write CH3 COH double bond CH2. Okay, enol, en plus ol, enol, this is the ketone, enol, keto-enol tautomerism. Similar here, double bond is there, OH is there. वो internal change होता ही रहता है. वो दोनों में amide is more stable, that's why is a major. Of course, this is also present. Okay, next oxidation reactions later in the next video we can discuss.